Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a gaming mouse from ATKSHARK. This is the VXE R1 SE, VXE R1 series. It's a super light, about 55 grams, lightweight wireless mouse. We have it on white color and this is the box of it. It actually looks pretty cool. The box is super light, so I wonder how light the actual mouse is. We have some specs in the back. So 55 grams, the sensor it's a 3395 AC, battery capacity it's 520 milliamp hours, and obviously it's manufactured in China. A lot of great products come from China. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. There's not much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna have it next to our setup so you guys can get an understanding for yourself on how you will look on your own setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an instruction manual right here. It tells you everything you need to know about the mouse, how to change the DPI, how to use the Bluetooth settings. Obviously this is a wireless mouse, and we have the wireless receiver right here at the bottom. Just pop that in your PC or your laptop and it's basically ready to go. And yeah, pretty much I would say go ahead and read the manual so you can learn what this mouse can do, how to use it at its max potential. We also have a braided, super light and super soft, by the way, USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used to either charge the mouse or use it in wire mode, so pretty handy to have. And this is the mouse itself. Have 5 buttons on the top, including the scroll wheel button. On the bottom obviously we have the skates. We haven't peeled off the protection yet. We have a switch right here on the right hand side, my right hand side, so you can switch it between 2.4 gigahertz off or Bluetooth. And this is the DPI switch button. Have the barcode right here, make sure all the parts are genuine. And yeah, if you want to connect it, as I say, in wireless mode, take that cover off, then you pop the dongle out just like that. And let's try to put the cover back on. Kinda tricky with one hand with the mouse moves. There we go, we got it. And basically you will pop this into any USB Type A port on your device, that being your laptop or your PC, and it should work straight away if you switch it to 2.4 gigahertz mode. My one is already switched there, and pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and set everything up at my desk, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like next to a proper setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the mouse looks like when it's fully set up next to your setup. Obviously my setup is white, so it actually matches everything besides my keyboard, because my keyboard is custom and I just like it that way. But it actually matches a white setup, and the mouse looks really clean. Super easy to set up, as I said. 2.4 gigahertz receiver into one of your available USB Type A ports and switch it to 2.4 gigahertz mode, and it should work straight away. As you can see, super responsive, and the clicks are actually very satisfying as well. So if you guys can hear, and it just feels so lightweight. I mean, 55 grams is like nothing. It's super lightweight. It's got this ergonomic grip that just helps you grip the mouse in such a good way, especially for gaming. It's absolutely amazing. I love the mouse myself. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.